Well, hey guys, I just come home with this Sun Joe 24 volt rapid inflator. Needed something to air up tires. Comes with 3 different tips, so if you want to air up like your football or if you need to blow something off, it's got that. It says it's 2 times the power of the competitors. So we're just going to unbox this and we're just going to go out and air up a tire, just see if this thing works. So let's see what's in the box. Yeah, let's see. I believe that's your charger. Comes with owner's manuals. And comes in a nice case. There's what it looks like. It's got a nice long cord on it. And looks like it's got accessories right here on the side. And I believe this is your battery. Battery just fits on just like that. There's your power button. And it says you can set it to whatever PSI you want and it'll shut off automatically. So I'm going to set it on 40. We're going to go up and air a tire up and see if this thing actually works. All right, I'm fixing to air up the tire on my son's Tesla, so let's take the cap off. Pop her on. Turn the power on. All right, you can push the on button and you can go to, I don't know what the others mean. Of course, we use PSI here. You see it flashing. It'll quit flashing. It'll show 35.5. That's how much is in this tire. Right here is where you set how much you want it before it shuts off. So I'm fixing to pull the trigger. We're going to see if it actually shuts off. Well, it's going up pretty quick. We're already at 36.5. Well, there it is. I went from about 35 pounds to 40 pounds, and I don't even think that took a minute. So, hey, this thing worked. Let me unhook this and show you how you charge the battery right quick. All right, to remove your battery, you've got 2 buttons on each side. You just hold them in, battery slides right out like this. Now, to check your how much power is, you've got a button right here on the front. You just push that button. You can see there's 3 lights. Well, 2 of them lit up, so it's about 2/3 charged. To charge it, of course, you plug in your power adapter. And right here on top, you've got a place to plug in your charging cord. And as you can see, it's blinking. When all 3 of them stay lit up, then it's fully charged. It's fully charged. You just unplug it, slides right back on just like that, pops into place. You can actually pop this right up here to a place to hold it and keep it out of the way. Well guys, I must admit I'm pretty impressed with this Sun Joe 24 volt air compressor. If you need to air up your tire, if you need to air up your basketball, if you just need to blow something out with the little air nozzle, hey, you got it. It comes with a nice drawstring bag. You can put it all in, pop it in the trunk of your car, your toolbox of your pickup, or under the seat. Hey, if you're stranded, this thing just may save you. So, hey, if this helped you out, hey, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Until next time, I'll catch you later.